Welcome to Auto Drive, your go-to channel for the latest in automobiles, reviews, and expert insights. If you're passionate about pickups and powerful machines, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update. In this video, we're diving into the rugged and bold 2026 Caterpillar pickup, a beast built for performance, durability, and style. Starting with the heart of the machine, the 2026 Caterpillar pickup is expected to come with a powerful V8 engine option, with impressive displacement and torque designed for heavy-duty tasks and long hauls. Horsepower figures remain strong, delivering the muscle you'd expect from a name like Caterpillar. Paired with either an automatic or manual transmission with multiple gear options, this pickup ensures smooth power delivery and total control. Depending on the trim, you can choose between rear-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, or an all-wheel drive setup for versatile road and off-road capabilities. Inside, the Caterpillar pickup offers a spacious and durable interior. Seating capacity is designed to fit your work crew or family comfortably, with material options ranging from rugged cloth to luxurious leather in premium variants. Comfort features such as heated and cooled seats, power windows, and locks, and optional sunroof are included to enhance the driving experience, whether on the job site or on a weekend adventure. On the outside, it boasts a bold body style with striking dimensions. Its length, width, height, and wheelbase are all engineered for stability and commanding road presence. The suspension system, with either an independent setup or a live axle configuration, ensures robust handling and ride comfort, backed by heavy-duty shocks and a precise rack and pinion steering system. Braking is handled by large disc brakes offering superior stopping power, supported by drum options on specific variants. Safety is a priority, with features such as multiple airbags, ABS, and electronic stability control offering peace of mind. The infotainment system includes modern essentials like radio, CD player, GPS navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity. Additional highlights include cruise control, wood trim accents, chrome details, and special edition trims that add style and exclusivity. With performance upgrades and a unique front grille, the 2026 Caterpillar pickup stands out in any crowd. To keep watching high-quality content like this and support Auto Drive, don't forget to subscribe now and stay until the end to help boost your favorite car review channel.